Yeah, good boy or good girl. I'm not sure what you are.
Oh, look.
Do you want bread, man? Bread? Come here, bud. You're cooling off, mister. Milawayan mo na ako, pre. Paano ko makakampal? Paano ko makakampante? May kotse sa harapan natin. Here you go, big guy. Oh my God! You licked my hand, man. Yeah, there's a peacock. Good day. So, another adventure. Currently, we're in Sequim. Pero yung spelling is Sequim. Pero Sequim daw yung pronunciation. And there's a peacock on the road. Wait lang. Ayun. So, we're at the Olympic Game Park. And yeah, the peacock is just roaming around there. Gulat naman yun. Meron naggagala na ganito dito sa labas lang. Ayun. Yeah. He's just minding his own business. And yun nga. So yun yung parang preview na dito sa Olympic Game Park. So currently nagpahinga lang kasi it was like around a couple of hours or a few hours drive papunta dito from where our home is. So yeah, pasok na muna kami dun sa loob. Cash or card payments only. Hi.
Today.
2 adults and 1 toddler.
Perfect. You guys want to buy bread to feed today?
Yes.
How
Yes.
many breads would you like? They're $5.
Just one.
One loaf. So looking at 55 today, please.
Okay.
Thank you. As the driver, sir, I'll need a signature on the waiver and pamphlets for you guys to keep.
Sure.
Rules are simple. You stay inside, doors closed, animals come to your windows. The baby can be unbuckled if you want and ride on your laps. They don't have to be in the car seat.
Okay.
And then elk and bison field, keep it moving. If you stop for bison or elk, they can surround you and scratch on your vehicle. So go slow with them.
Gotcha.
And make sure only our bread goes out. You cannot see any other breads or foods, okay?
Okay.
All right, be right back with everything.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, you're going to see some animals, kid.
Alright, there's bread loaf.
Oh.
Receipts are fast until 5 today, and up that hill's the start when you're ready to begin.
Okay. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have fun out there.
You too. Have a good day.
You have questions?
Let's go! Start daw dito sa mayan eh. Up the hill daw. Kaya pala sila paakyat ng hill. Okay. Yep. Sarap ng hangin, malamig dito. Malamig ngayon. And yeah, we're off. So dito daw, syempre medyo caution ka mag-drive dito kasi may mga free roaming na mga animals. Katulad nung nakita nyo kanina na peafowl or peacock. Ayun, yep. Ito yung first route, paakyat daw ng hill. So,
Basta no stopping in Bison or elk hills.
yeah. Kasi yun nga, it might scratch the car.
Sige.
You saw the bear?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to be on your car seat or you want it with mommy here?
Ito, here we go. We're up the hill. So,
I don't think
start
you can see from there.
Drive-Thru, turn left. Private property, do not enter, turn right. Go. Oh, yeah. Parang pwede pa yata dito minto eh.
You want to be here, not on your car seat, so that you can see the animals. Okay.
Ayun, ito muna. Quick stop. Ito ay isang observation tower. Sila Mami J hindi naman nabababa. Ako lang. Kasi para lang mapakita sa inyo kung anong itsura nito. Yep, let's go up. Oops. And yep. Yeah, literal observation tower. Ito may onting notice or information about what you can see here. And there's the outside. So, sobrang overlooking siya. And yeah, I do see the bear. Ayun, hindi ko sure kung kayang anuhin ng camera. Pero yun, may bear doon. Stig. Sige na, baba na ulit ako. Please close the door when you are leaving. Okay, close the door. Yun nga, yung pag-close ng door is just to prevent animals from going in the observation tower. Ayun, baba na muna ulit ako. Dito na sa kabila bababa. Which is also the same. Yeah, nakalimutan ko pala. Quick information about the tower. Okay, let's go. On to the next one. Okay, time to go in. Pero, ayun. Hanggang dito, traffic. Nakahinto yung traffic sa harapan. Uy, ayun, I can see the, ano to? Kalabaw ba to? Kabayo? Baka. Ay putik, may ano. Kaya pala sila nakahinto. Shucks. Kaya pala sila
Hindi
nakahinto.
kasi nga nagpipid sila.
Yeah.
Animals.
Ayun, kaya pala may traffic dito. Kasi may mga nakaharang na mga, ewan ko, bison na ba to? Kasi parang maliit eh.
Oh, there's so you see the animals?
At ayun na po. Ang dami nila nakaharang at nag-aabang.
Oh, see.
Ay, shucks. Biglang nag-fall back yung ano ko eh, yung gulong ko eh. Nakahinto pa rin sila. Ayun. Yeah. Alam nila kung saan sila tatambay eh. Dito agad sa bungad eh.
What is that? Oh! Oh. Later na, magana ito yung keep moving.
Hi, cow. And they're up close. Sorry, you already got bread from someone else. So, oh. Next time, cow. Sorry. Yeah, bye. Say hi. Oh, Jason, say hi to the cow.
Cow.
Yep. Hi. How are you, man? Nako. Oh, wait lang.
Oh, it fell down.
Nasa harapan talaga yung isa eh. Hindi ko maano. Ayun, sige. Ulis naman. Hi, cow. Yeah.
Yung bread natin, dapat konti-konti lang.
Mamaya na ulit. You already got some bread ata. Ikaw, bigyan mo yung ano. Binibidyo mo ba si Jace?
Oh, nandito.
Okay. Yung cow. Video mo si Jace. Hey buddy, can you move? Nakaharang yung cow. Hindi ko ano.
Sige lang, move lang.
Move, okay. Sige. Hi, excuse me buddy. Yep. Hi bud. Sorry bud. We're going. Oh, there's a cow. Up. Yeah, he decided to. Yeah. Oh, hi cow. Mark. Okay. Yep. Oh, there's other one. Sorry cow, there's no one there. Okay.
So good morning.
Good, good. Yeah.
Cow, cow.
And they're up and up close. Sorry, you already got bread from someone else. So
Oh. No.
next time, cow.
Bye.
Sorry.
Bye, cow.
Bye. Say hi. Jason, say hi to the cow.
Hi, cow.
Hi. How are you, man?
Oh, it fell down.
Sa harapan talaga yung isa. Hindi ko maano. Ayun, sige. Hi, cow.
Mauubos yung bread natin. Dapat konti-konti lang ibigay.
Mamaya
sa
na ulit.
kanila.
You already got some bread.
Oh,
ata.
no.
May baby cow pa dito eh. Siyempre, bagal lang tayo. Slowly inching in. Siyempre, kulit to. Pero iba silang ano yun, no? Hindi sila yung, ayan, bigyan mo sila ng bread. Ay, cow. Oh, bread.
Ihakak mo lang.
Oo nga. Oh, here. Ow. Yeah, good boy or good girl. I'm not sure what you are. You good? Okay, bye-bye. Next to, on to the next one. Yeah. Tuntua tong isa.
Sige lang kayo. Naka-face na sa amin yung camera.
Okay. Ayun.
His
Oh.
reaction.
Yeah, slowly inching in. Excuse me, buddies. We're just passing through. Yeah. Oh, hey, mommy cow. Here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just for you. Kasi you need to give some milk to your calf. Oh no, someone's in front of us. Can't move.
Oh, it's okay.
Sorry, bud. Sorry. Wait lang. Hindi, may nasa harapan natin. Wait lang. Oops. Wait. Hey, buddy. I'm crossing, ha? Okay. Nope, don't poke your nose in. Okay.
You pay.
Binigyan ba tong isang to? Sana binigyan. Bibigyan kita. I'll give you one bread. Buddy! Here you go. Oh, yeah. Go eat. Okay, good. Oh, hey, bud. Here. Bread. Oop. On the ground. On the ground. You good? Yeah. Okay. Move aside, bud. I'm going to move. Up. Nope. Already got your fill. Sorry. We're moving. Bye. Mamaya kasi hindi sila nabigyan. Ito, most likely nabibigyan tong nandito sa dulo. Ayun, may mga ano doon sa may baba. Yup, ano. Yeah. Nagiging rasta, ano na to mga to, yung mga baka dito. Okay. Bye-bye, cow. Sorry, nobody's there. Uy, may ano, pucha. Mamaya, nandudurato. Alpaca or llama.
Ayokong bigyan yan. Baka ano yun ako. Ikaw na lang mag-food.
Sige. Yeah, merong alpaca or llama sa harapan. I'm not sure what. Yan yan, nandudura yan eh.
Oh, here.
Here buddy. Here. Yeah. Good. Oh, pet. Hey, can I pet your head? Pet. Okay. Yeah, we're going.
Bye. Oh, look.
Do you want bread, man? Bread? Come here, bud. You don't like? You don't like bread?
Dave, ayaw ko na.
Okay. Yep. Nope. Yeah, I'm moving. I'm moving. Bye, bud. Sorry if you don't like the bread.
Yeah. You see that? That's an alpaca.
Alpaca or llama, I'm not sure kasi magkamukha sila eh.
Yeah. Oh, the bread. They're eating the bread. Okay? Katabi lang
There's the llama, alpaca. I'm not sure if they... hindi. Tatapon yata yung bread dito eh. Tapon ko yung bread. Sana umabot. Bread! Sumabit. Sorry. Hindi umabot yung bread. Ano talaga to? Open yung area oh. Grabe.
There's deer dun.
Watch for baby animals. So, yun nga. We do need to take our time going here. Uy, may zebra rin sila oh. Ngayon na, meron na ulit dito. Pero nabigyan niya na ng bread eh. So, I'm not going to give bread to them.
Oh, there's zebra there, Jay. So, you see the zebra there?
Wait lang. Hindi ko na iyan itong ano. Angat ko lang na unti. Sorry bud, you already got one. Wait for the next car, okay? Bye-bye. Oh, there's a deer. There's a deer. Hey, Bambi. Yeah, you already got one. Sorry, I'm gonna give this to the deer. Sorry, bud. Wait for the next car, okay? Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
Umiyo, asaya.
Lumayo siya.
Pat siya sa akin.
Natakot.
Kabilang side sa taas.
Ay no, may zebra. Zebra. At nakarang siya. Nagabang talaga siya ng bread eh. Sorry, you already got one. So, I'll throw the bread further away. Para makakain naman yung iba. Yeah.
Nandiyan siya sa'yo.
Bread! Oh no! Sige na nga, sa'yo na.
Oh, bye.
No, bye-bye dear.
Dear. Bye,
Bye dear. Eto, hindi ko na bibigyan to. Nope, you already got one. Ay, naku, arang ka pa. Excuse me sir, I'm just going to pass by. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayun, may... Ano ba pinakaiba ng alpaca at llama? Basta, yan, I'm not sure which one is which. So, yan, meron na ulit dun sa may kabila. Ano lang tayo? Ayun. I know. Excuse me, sir. Is that really good? I'm lost. Can you point me the way out? Okay, you're busy. Have a good day. Yep, we're going. Okay, let's go. Yeah, U-turn. Ayan, may one way lang kasi nakalagay. Oh, ito, mas umihingi ng bread. Oh, ayan give the bread. You want bread, buddy? Hi. Bread? Okay. You good? Bye-bye. Ikaw na.
Bye.
Give one bread.
Ay, oo. Ano na, babe, ano na siya sa amin. Forward ka unti.
Natakot ka na. Bye-bye.
She's gonna, kasi kita niya yung bread dito sa may bag. Kaya nakadakmain niya. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's one more.
Sorry, bud. I saw you eating already, so I'm not gonna give you bread, okay? Wait for the next car. Hi. Bread. Okay.
Si Jace.
You good?
Ikaw na nagbigay. Hindi na ako
Bye-bye.
magbigay.
Ikaw na.
Bye.
Give one bread.
Bye. Oo. Ano na, babe. Ano na siya sa amin. Forward ka unti. Natakot na ako.
Bye-bye. Good day, sir. Want bread? Oh, here you go. Yeah, bread. Oh, you don't like bread? Okay. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hey, buddy. Want bread? Buddy. Ayaw. No.
Oh, they're eating.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at there.
Good day, sir. Do you want bread? Here you go. Okay. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, there's one more here.
There's Hey, buddy. Want bread? Buddy, bread. Here you go.
Tracy.
Bread. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day, sir. Bye-bye. Nope, just one bread. Just one. No more. Okay. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nasa gitna na si JC.
Natakot na. Natakot na. Oh, there's a zebra. Yeah, zebra. Yeah, it's over there. Zebra. Bye.
You're so... Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Excuse me, guys. Do you need bread? Do you want bread? Bread? No? They're so fixated with something. I'm not sure what.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Yeah, they don't want bread. I'm not sure why. Oh, yeah, we're moving on.
You want to sit here? Bye, guys.
Oh, malapit na yata tayo sa bear. May kung anong signage ng bear dito eh. And yeah, there's the bear.
Look, the bear. Here. Bye-bye. Oh, look at the bear.
Hi, bear. Bear, want some bread?
Oh, look at the bear.
Hello, sir. Do you want bread?
Hi, bear. Oh, say hi to bear.
Bread.
Oh, look at the bear. Did you see it?
Want bread? No?
No.
Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh, it's so big. Hi, bear.
Bye, sir. Okay. Have a good day.
Bye.
Ayun, may bear pa dun, oh. Malayo dun.
Oh,
Ayun, oh.
there. Jace, you see the bear? Big bear. Zoom them. See them. Hi, bear.
Bye-bye, bear. No, there's one more here. I think
Oh, yeah.
female to kasi laki.
Jace, there's one more. There's one more.
Hi, madam. Do you want bread? Bread. Oops. Sorry, kapos. Laki niyo. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hi, the bear. Bye, bear.
Bye-bye, bear. We're moving. Yeah. Parang nagsawa na ata sila sa bread. I'm not sure.
Oh, he's drinking.
Oh, drinking water. Oh.
Drinking
The bear's
water.
drinking water. Hi, you're cooling off, mister? You good? Want bread? Yeah. Okay. Say bye to the bear. Bye.
I forgot to tell you guys, you can pass cars if you want. Just keep it safe. Let cars pass you if they need to. Can I
Okay.
pass by real quick?
Sure.
He's hiding. Oh, there's one there on the left side.
On the left side then.
Yeah.
Ano? Hi bear, you're eating bread already? Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bear. Ang laki ng bison guys. Whoa, it's a big bison. Yeah. Keep your head inside the car, kid. Bye bye, bison. He's drinking water. Oh, there's the bread. Being eaten by the bear. Hi, bear. Bye bye. Hi. No? Yeah, he's eating the bread. Oh, sinawsaw. Ano yan? Kape? Yeah. Okay, enjoy your bread, sir. Bye bye. There's a big tiger, guys. Oh.
Oh, did you see the tiger?
Whoa. The tiger's roaming around. Yeah, there's the tiger. Come back, tiger. I wanna see you more. Wow. Bye, tiger.
Oh my god! Oh no! A triple bag. Nakati. Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bear.
Nana.
Yeah, we're moving. Within these cages, may mga, ayan, may bobcat, but I'm not sure where they're, kung nasan sila. So, yeah, we'll just keep on moving. Sana chumamba makakita. Ay, din. Tapos may mga fox daw yata na sa ibang cage. Ah, ito. Kulit to. Puting peacock ko. Meron, ano, may mga sisiw pa. Nice. Yeah, bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Warning. Another warning.
To open the ano.
Ito, may wolf sa kabila, babe. Oh. Kabilang side.
Ano wolf?
There's the wolf, guys.
Oh, wow.
Hindi masyado kasi somewhat nakacamouflage siya dun sa may hay. Pero, yeah. The wolf's there. Ayun, may natutulog pa dun, oh, na wolf yata. Oo nga, no? Puti, white wolf. Tapos, along the road na kung saan kami nagda-drive, ayun, sa kabilang side pala, may mga goats. Yeah, we're heading to the sa elk. Yeah. Yeah, they do have Tibetan yaks. Tibetan yaks. And ito na yung mga elk. Golly! Ang laki nila. Promise. And they're going to poke their nose inside the car. Hey, bud. We're just going to pass by, okay? Just passing by, bud. Yep, let us through, bud. Yep, you're good. Yep, we're just passing by. Thank you. Ayan. Oh, no. No more, no more. Ah. Yeah, I know.
I don't like them.
Hindi, binugahan pa ako ng hangin sa mukha. Ewan.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I pass through? You're in the way. Hi. Yeah, you're cute. So here you go. Yeah, you too. Here you go. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Yeah. Here you go, baby. Yeah. Nope. Not you. You already got one. You too. Here, bud. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, ito, baby, oh. Oh, sige nga, hindi ko pa. Yeah, bud. Sorry. Wait lang. I'm gonna give you bread. Here. Oh. Hey, small buddy. You're too far away. Can't. Yeah. Okay. We're moving, ha. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for your patronage for the bread. On the bread. We're moving.
Hi, El.
Just passing by, bud. Yep, that was too bad. Yep, you're good.
Gosh.
Yep, we're just passing by. Thank you. Yeah. No more.
No, na babe, babe, forward. Oh
Yeah,
my
I know.
God, I don't like them.
Hindi, binugahan pa ako ng hangin sa mukha.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I pass through? You're in the way. Hi. Yeah, you're cute. So here you go. Yeah, you too. There you go. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
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 Yeah, here you go, baby. Yeah. Nope. Not you. You already got one. You too. Here, bud.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Oh, ito, baby, oh. Oh, sige, hindi ko pa. Yeah, bud. Sorry. Wait lang. I'm gonna give you bread.
Hi.
Here. Oh. Hey, small buddy. You're too far away. Can't. Yeah. Okay. We're moving, ha. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for your patronage for the bread. On the bread.
Oh my God. Inano nila tong
Nilawayan ba nila o siningahan nila?
as in.
Syempre. Yun nga eh. Hi. One order of bread. Here you go. Oh, here. Oh, bread. Yeah, you're too aggressive, man. Oh, here. Oh. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys.
Bye. Grabe. Oh, sorry. We're moving. We're moving on. Sorry, bud. We're just going to pass by. Oh, baby.
Bye.
Oh, baby. Here you go. Up. Here you go. Okay. Good. Bye-bye. We're moving. Bye-bye. You're not going to eat the camera, man.
Oh my gosh.
Don't eat my phone.
Oh, some deers.
Ayun, ito mga deer talaga. Mas maliit sila eh. Grabe, laki ng elk, no? Oo. Eto, bibigyan ko si Bambi.
Bye, guys. Oh my gosh. There's so many of them.
We're moving.
Oh no!
We're moving on. Sorry, bud.
Ooh.
We're just going to pass by. Oh, baby.
Bye.
Oh, baby. There you go. Up. Here you go. Bye-bye. We're moving. Bye-bye. You're not going to eat the camera, man.
Oh my gosh.
Don't eat my phone.
Dami pa din, may bison pa nga doon.
Hi, sir. Want bread? Okay. You good? Bye-bye. Uy, naku, ito na naman. Sorry, bud. We're just passing by, okay? We're going to pass by. Sorry. Hey, don't follow us, man. Nope. No more. Nope. Go, bud. Wow, nilawayan mo na ako, pre. Nilawayan mo na ako, pre.
baby!
Paano ko makakapa? Paano ko makakapante? May kotse sa harapan natin.
Wait, Jess. Come here. You stay in the middle. You stay in the middle. I know, it's scary.
Buddy. I'll give you bread. Here. Buddy. Woo. Hey there. Here we go. Yeah. Oops. Bay, nilaglag mo yung bread.
Yan.
Oh, wala na. We're moving. Ay, sorry. Didn't saw you, man. Here you go. Okay. Bye-bye.
Stay dyan, Jess. Kanta na lang sa gitna kasi natatakot.
Sorry. Bye-bye. We're just passing through. Nope. We're just passing by.
Oh.
Nobody. Nope. 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 Nope.
Oh my God.
Teka lang, hindi ako makano. Oh, we're just passing by. Sorry. We're almost out of bread.
Pero syempre, pag nag-second round na tayo, bibili ka ulit.
Yeah.
Wala tayong
Grabe, yun na yung mga bison sa harapan, no? Ang layo, pero yeah.
I-ano mo nga dito sa gilid.
What?
Hi!
Uy, naku, ito na naman.
Hi naman siya. JC, there's a big...
Sorry, bud. We're just passing by, okay? We're going to pass by. Sorry.
Oh my God! No! JC,
Hey, don't follow us, man. Nope. No more. Nope. 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 No, Dad. Wow, nilawayan mo na ako, pre.
takot na si JC.
Nilawayan mo na ako, pre.
Babe!
Yeah. Na naman. Oh, yun na. I'm going to throw it away. Ikaw yung kanina naglaglag ng bread eh. Hi. Sorry. You already got one, so we're just going to pass by, okay? Takot na.
Bye there!
Ba yung tiniklop nila yung side mirror? Tiniklop nila yung side mirror. Grabe yung mga elk. Oh, there's the bison, no? Bison, guys. Laki. Mas malaki to compared sa unang bison na nakita kanina. If you're going to pass the bison and elk na area, you're going to bear with the smell. May ano siya, may onting smell na kakaiba. So, yeah. Sorry, man. Oh yeah, I'll give you one. Can you have your head out? Thank you. Yeah, oh here. Okay, thank you. We're moving. Bye-bye.
Ano mo nga kay JC
Nope.
na ano, natatakot talaga siya.
Do you want bread, man? Okay, here you go. Okay. Hi. Bye. Bye-bye. Ayun na yung bison. Shucks. Iano ko yung ano, bintana dito sa kabila para hindi sila masyadong makapoke in. Ayun yung bison. Laki oh. Sheesh. Grabe oh. Hey bro. No bro. You're not going inside bro. You're too big. And the bison's in front of us. Sorry dear. Can we pass by ma'am? Okay, thank you. Nope, we're just passing by. Thank you.
Bye bye, sir.
You too. Oh yeah. Oh here you go man. Bread. Okay. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Oh, sorry ma'am. We're just passing by na. Hey bro. How's you doing? Oh, here. Sige na. Hindi kayo nabigyan eh. Oh, here. Also, you. Yep. Sorry. That's it, man. Out of bread. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Oh, sorry ma'am. We're just passing by na. Hey bro. How's you doing? Ay, yung baby na ano. Wait.
You see them?
Grabe, kailangan talaga magpaka-rush dito, babe. Bud, there's the bread. Please do eat that. Puro laway na yung windshield. Sorry, I'm moving. Please don't follow. I already gave you bread, man. Dami, oh. And there's one more. Sige. Ayun nga.
Natin namin yung mga bitakan.
You got scared na.
Oh, look po.
Hi. Sorry, passing by. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bison.
Bye-bye, dear.
Bye, dear.
You too, Bambi. Yun yung sa Disney, yung deer na si Bambi. Okay, sige, bigyan ko itong malaking ta. Samot. Here you go, big guy. Oh my God! You licked my hand, man! Jeez! Hindi ko mahawakan masyado yung manibela. Yeah, give me some wipes. Nilawayan yung kamay ko. Grabe to. Binigyan na nga ng pagkain eh. Why did you had to lick my hand? Sorry bud, I'm all out. Almost, but not really. Nah. Here bud. Here you go. Yeah. Up. Wala, puro laway yung ano natin. Oh, here you go, man. Gali! Puro saliva na tong ano natin, bintana natin. Pati ako kahit paano saliva na naman. Hey sir, can you get out of the way?
You okay?
Can I pass by? No, I'm just passing by, man. No. Nah, we're just passing by. We're just passing by, ma'am, sir. Oh. Bye.
Oh, he's a big
Lucky, oh.
one.
It's a big guy. Grabe, sorry dear. Wait lang. I'm trying to concentrate. You're too many. You're too many. Kailangan na magmabagal. Yeah.
Okay? You okay? Yeah. Wala na siyang boses. Are you good?
Here, man. Yeah. Ow, no! Not again! Dinilaan mo na naman ako, pare. May laway na naman tong kamay ko. Sige, wait lang. Ito, puro saliva na rin tong ano ko eh. Isang wipes. I need a new one. Grabe. Grabe makadila si sir. Yeah. Yeah. Wait lang. Oh, here. Oh my God, not again. Jeez. Oh. Yep, because you're asking, oh, not you, sir. I'm going to give this one to her. And to her little one. Little one. Oh, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Ano yun? Nag-ano yung baby na deer. Oh. May brad ka pa ba? Oh, bigyan mo tong isa. Oh, wait lang ha. Oh, Mommy Jay's going to give you bread. Oops, nope. Couldn't catch it. Okay.
Patakbo pa yung isa.
Sorry, man. Too late. We're moving. Ayun na yung mga baby na mga deer. Grabe yun.
Bambi, stop it.
Hey, don't go going after us. No more. We're out. Sorry. Wait for the next car, okay? Oh, are you Bambi?
Are you Bambi?
Are you a deer? Okay.
Bye, dears. Bye. Tingnan yata yung end.
Sorry. We're out of bread. Thank you for your patronage. Bread Express is already closed. Hi, bud. Tinulak nila yung side mirror eh. Kailangan kong i-reset. Hindi mo makita yung sa kanan eh. Hey bro. What's up? So, bibigyan kita 1/4 na bread. Bread. Sorry, I had to throw it. Bye bye. You're good. Raven to, babe. Tong malaking to. Raven yan. Hindi yan uwak. Hindi siya crow.
Yung PJs, tayo na kumpisa dito.
Takot. Bye-bye.
At diba naman, inano kami ng elk. Sinugod kami.
Ang laki ng bison ng putik.
Pumapasok pa sila dito sa...
Yun nga yung naka sa may warning, di ba? Parang they're going to poke their heads inside the car. So, they're poking their heads inside the car talaga. Ayan ah. One bison is just chilling. Chilling. And that's the whole loop nung sa bison, deer, elk na area. Kasi don't ano nga daw yung parang wag kang haharang sa ano. Yep. So yung elk is Roosevelt elk. Yan, Roosevelt elk. Ayun, we're out. Almost out. Kasi ano pa pala to? Ito yung harap. So, yung isa, kung saan yung mga bison, dito, may mga nag-wander off ng mga elk. Oo. Oh.
They're gonna poke.
Yeah, they're going to poke their heads in na naman, for sure. Mamaya na yung bread. We need to get out dito muna. Ano muna tayo? Get situated ulit para sa susunod na ikot na round. Sulit yung 25. Ayun na naman sila! They're going to poke their heads in. Laki ng antlers na itong ano.
Ng space para maka-forward ka.
Ay nga. Oops. Sorry man. Sorry. Just passing by. Thank you. Yeah. They're following. Ayun. Sorry. We're just going to pass by, man. Sinarado na nila yung bintana nila. Yeah. Round 2. And we're done muna dun sa may game farm. Dito muna kami sa labas nung farm. We're just going to eat muna. Let's see kung ano meron sila dito. Ito, pasok muna kami ng gift shop. Ito yung mga fridge magnets. Ano kaya magandang fridge magnet na mabili dito? Dami nilang saktong choices. Yeah. Wait lang. I'm looking at fridge magnets. Tapos meron din sila nung ano. Di ba sa Starbucks na? They do have those here. And puzzles. Then yung parang name signs. Ooh, syempre. They have honey.
Oh, look at this.
Okay. Sorry, no refunds. Coining machine. Being fun. Tapos meron sila ng taco.
Oh, we're just falling out now.
Yeah. Uy, may bear paw. Tapos mga elk horns and what. Yeah, they do have a lot of stuff here. Shirts, stuffies. This one. Here's the whole shop. Dami. And they do have some chimes. Pati yung big art wall. Then, syempre, shot glass, mugs, and caps. Pati backpacks for kids. And they do have this big guy. Grabe. Grabe. It's better to see in person kasi hindi masyado nag-give ng camera ay yung justice for the size comparison or the sizing of this bison head. Grabe. And if you get hungry, they do have a concessionary or restaurant, Bubadus Kitchen. You pick up nila ganun. Yeah. So, pangalan nila. Okay, so tapos na kami doon sa may drive-thru na animal enclosement. Dito naman kami sa may petting zoo. Isa pang attraction dito sa Olympic Game Farm. Yan, legit. Yung picture na yan, ganyan talaga mangyayari sa inyo once you open the window onto the enclosure of the bisons. Ito yung mga other information photos that they have here. They do have the bison, mga bovines, iba't iba daw. Tapos yung yak. So compared to a regular cow, those are the differences. Tapos yung mga bear paws. Ewan ko kung life size. Kasi kung iaano mo yung kamay mo sa bear paw. Yan. Tapos black bear is hindi ganun kalaki. So ito, pasok na muna kami dito sa my petting zoo. So they do have their petting farm rules. Basahin nyo na lang. And yeah, ito, do not feed these animals. We're going in. So may hand sanitizer sila. May camping, goat enclosure. So ito, meron silang, I'm not sure if it's like made in concrete, pero ito yung mga footprints of a bear. I'm not sure what kind of bear. Ayan, ito, laki oh. See? Bear trail and the thing. This structure is for goats only, no climbing. Oh, hi, you happy?
Yeah.
Don't stay. No, you're not going to go up there. It's only for goats.
Oh, look the goats now.
Oh, we're going to the goats. Oh.
Oh, look at the goats. Okay. Oh, look at the goats. Look at the. Oh, come here.
Oh.
Touch them on.
Oh. Touch the. Oh. Oh, touch the goat. Wow. Oh, pet the goat. You're getting scared of the goat? Oh. Pet the goat. Oh, goat. Oh, touch the goat. No, they're nice, oh. Oh, see, they like being pet. No, no. Natakot si Little J. Oh, pet. Busy silang kumain ng grass. Oh, touch the goat, touch the goat. So we're done with the goat enclosure. Punta na kami sa may aquarium. Yeah, I didn't know na they have an aquarium here. So we're going out here and going to the next one.
Nandun yung label.
What label? Oh, say hi, bud. Nag-quick pictorial lang muna kami dito sa may signage ng Olympic Game Farm bago kami pumunta dun sa may aquarium. So, nauna na ng onti sila, Mommy J dun. Tapos meron silang tractor, steam locomotive na replica kuno, Eureka tree, and there's some bears dun sa taas. Yan. Tapos mga ducks. So, pasok na muna kami dito sa may aquarium. Ayun, puro salmon. Dami oh. Daming salmon. Tapos meron silang sturgeon, oh. Wow. First time seeing one in real life. Yeah. Ito yung display nila dito within the enclosure ng mga fish. Aquarium. Yeah. Marami silang parang viewing window. Pang kids, tapos pang adults. That's too high for you, kid. Yeah, ayun, oh, grabe yung sturgeon, no? Diyan kumukuha ng caviar, babe. Diyan sila kumukuha ng caviar. Wow, you see the fish? They see the fish?
Yeah.
Wow, oh, there's so many fish.
Oh, big.
Yeah. Wow, oh, there's a skeleton.
Cotton.
Yeah, there, oh. Oh, there's a skeleton. I know, swimming.
Oh no, no, big.
Oh no, why? Ayun, so ikot lang to. Quick look lang dito sa my mini aquarium. Full of salmons and a big sturgeon. Okay. Time to head out. Ayun, meron din sila nung cutout board para sa pictorial. Pero hindi na ginawa nila, Mommy J. Kasi malayo-layo itong biyaheng to. We need to go home early. And you do have another stop here na malapit lang. You'll see that on the next vlog. Okay, meron din sila sizing graph dun. I'm not gonna go close to that one.
Inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me. The road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective.
And parang dito ko natatapusin itong vlog na to. So, till the next one. Peace.